Today we're here at the Virtue Motors Arena for the Manufacturing and Engineering Northeast exhibition. PAS have attended this exhibition every year since its relaunch, and for those of you who don't know about PAS are specialists in test equipment, tools, thermal cameras, training and calibration. So without further ado, let us show you round. Hello, I'm here with David Atkins, Sales Manager at PAS.
Hello.
Hello, thank you for talking to us.
All right, Jess, yeah?
Yes,
Good,
right.
good.
So could you tell us a bit about PAS and what you do, what you provide?
Yeah, so PAS is a test equipment provider, calibration services, training. We do everything from basic calibration to UCAS calibration. We do low voltage training courses. We do high voltage training courses, hat testing courses, thermography courses, and everything instrumentation wise, like you might be able to see behind us, from plastic lockout kits all the way up to high-end thermal cameras, gas analyzers, 25,000 products, and I'm not going to name them all, unfortunately, not now.
Well, do we not have the time or something?
That's it.
So what made you want to exhibit at MENE?
Being in the Northeast, we're known nationally, but we don't do enough sort of locally. Mm-hmm. So when the opportunity come to come along and meet some of the Northeast's manufacturing and engineering companies, it's a no-brainer. And the first year we got really excited by it because we got some really good contacts. Second year again, it just got stronger and stronger, and then today you've seen there's a lot happening in the Northeast.
It's an area known for manufacturing and engineering. Yeah. So how can PAS help local industries?
So because of the range of products and services we offer, there's not a lot we can't assist with. So whether they are electrical, they're manufacturing, they're engineering companies, whether the electrical side, we do the electrical kit, whether it's manufacturing, we do automation kit, whether it's engineering, we do torque wrenches. We've got something for every business really, because they all, whether they're a service provider or they're providing products, we can service them with more or less anything we do. And then if they want to expand their knowledge in what they want to do, we can also train them on the courses we offer as well. So very, very diverse. That's one of the key elements to the business, and the Northeast is full of it. Okay,
so how do the products PAS provide help local industries?
So they can help them in a number of different ways, whether it's just general maintenance, whether they have to maintain the products, generally efficiency in terms of energy efficiency, productivity, the list goes on, but maybe they've got a process they need to follow in terms of being audited, and they need certification. Mm-hmm. Then again, we can help with that. So
it's all about saving them time, saving them money.
Saving them money, making sure they're compliant with the legislation that they may have. We've got some great new exciting products that we brought along today, particularly in reducing energy costs and saving time on site, which is goes to carbon emissions.
So such as
the acoustic images that we brought along. Massive interest in them. Again, I know you've been watching as well as attending on the stand, and that's one of the biggest drawings today, because the time spent on site trying to locate leaks, whether it be air leaks, refrigerants, gases, even partial discharge, mechanical function they've got. They can point and shoot now, see it easily, but the key thing is they can quantify a cost. So that company can work out how much energy they're losing in a visual aspect, and then they can print a report off and say, we need to get this done.
The other thing I just want to talk about is calibration services. You offer calibration across the country, don't you?
Across the country, particularly we do a lot of some of the exhibitors stands here, we calibrate their kits. So yeah, we have offices now in Ireland, Glasgow, Stockton-on-Tees, Leeds and Welham Garden City, and we do a range from electrical to mechanical to pressure. We are also UCAS accredited, 17025, which appeals to a lot of people here as well, because you know they're not just standard companies. They're a little bit above that, but we do all that there at Stockton-on-Tees as well.
Thank you for speaking with us today.
Hey, no problem. All right, thank you.
Thank you. I'm here with Simon Bennell, the event director of MENE. Hi Simon,
Hello,
thank you for joining
nice
us. And you. Please could you tell us a bit about MENE?
Yeah, certainly. So this is the second time we've run the show here at the Virtue Motors Arena. We originally launched the show actually in 2016, and it was a 2-day event at the Metro Radio Arena. But we came back after COVID. We closed the show down. We had a lot of people ask us where the show's gone, why are we doing it again. We found this venue, which is actually a charity as well. So any money that we spend here gets put back into the local community. But we brought it back as a 1-day event because there's not a lot of engineering and manufacturing that take shows in the region. We do a lot of other shows. We do the engineering design show in Coventry. We've got the Subcon show in the NEC, and we noticed that lots of engineers from the North East, they weren't travelling down to the show, so we brought the show to the North East. So there's a lot of engineering and manufacturing that takes place in the region, but there weren't many trade shows, so we've tried to fill a gap in the market.
So PASS is a test equipment training and calibration specialist. So how do they fit into your vision for what MENE should be?
So like I was saying before, we want as many different types of companies at the show. If you can do business with North East engineers, then we feel that you should be at that show, at the show. But you guys being here is supporting us and helping spread the word about North East manufacturing and engineering. The region is a hotbed of engineering and manufacturing companies, and we want to shout about that.
Yeah.
And we're in an ideal position to do that because, yes, we're a local show, however, our reach is nationwide with our journals. So, for you guys being here, we're talking about you in the North East, but we're also talking about you nationwide as well.
Thank you.
Brilliant.